Hi, my name is Kristen and I want to tell you about installing our Retract-A-Gate. So we have two Retract-A-Gates. We have the one at the bottom of the stairs here, and it goes from a banister to a banister. So we have the adaptation kit, and the adaptation kit just literally ties off to the banister. Same on this side, and it is very sturdy, stable, in place. And then the gate just clicks right into the adaptation kit. Upstairs we go from a banister to the wall. So once again we have an adaptation kit on the banister, and then it is just drilled directly into the wall. We have 20-month-old twins, so I need to know that while I'm doing something with baby number 1, baby number 2 is not creeping up the stairs. And the Retract-A-Gate has been an absolute godsend for us. It is super easy to install and super functional, and we love it.